Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll do a camera comparison between Xiaomi's latest smartphone, Redmi K30 Ultra and iPhone 11. Redmi K30 Ultra is priced at 1,499 AED for 128GB 6GB variant. If you want to buy this smartphone in Dubai, I have provided detailed links in the description below with the contact details. We all know that iPhone has a class-leading camera. On the rear, iPhone 11 has a dual camera setup, 12 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture. It also has a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera with f2.4 aperture. From the rear camera, it can shoot 4K videos with 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. On the front, iPhone has a 12 megapixel wide-angle selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The good thing is that iPhone can record from the front camera also 4K videos with 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. Now let's talk about Redmi K30 Ultra. On the rear, it has a quad camera setup with a main 64 megapixel shooter, a 13 megapixel ultra wide lens, 5 megapixel telephoto lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front, it has a 20 megapixel wide lens. It can shoot a maximum of 4K 30 frames per second from the rear camera and 1080p videos with 30 frames per second from the front camera. Let's see some sample images and videos shot from both these smartphones and compare them. This is the video recording between Redmi K30 Ultra and iPhone 11. Also, you can see the audio icon. Tallest building on this planet, Burj Khalifa at the moment. Let's see how's the stabilization. So this is a low light video comparison, 4K 30 frames per second between iPhone 11 and Redmi K30 Ultra. Usually iPhones are known for its amazing video quality, but I think K30 Ultra is also doing a great job here. Let's see how is the stabilization. Let me know in the comments below which camera quality you like the most. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.